Greetings, everyone. I am Arinjan from MBA Outreach Committee, IIM Bodh Gaya. Here I present you another episode of guest lecture series. Today we have Mr. Soumyojit Sir from State Bank of India. He is the branch manager there, and before formally, he has held many positions in the bank like Forex Officer and Retail Credit Officer. So first of all, good morning, sir. How are you?
Thank you, Arin, for having me. And it's always great to be back to campus, although virtually, and interacting with you guys. And I also thank Professor Sharma for having me here for this guest lecture. And thank you for everything. Yeah.
That's great to hear. So I would like to open with the question. So how was your experience of giving the guest lecture and interacting with the students?
Honestly, it was very great, and I could see that students were really inclined to know the nuances of forex and retail banking, what actually is happening in the industry. Although your lecturer, post lecturer, is quite competent enough to answer your questions, but what we see in the industry that we have discussed in the class, what are the natural industry trends and how taking up this course is actually going to be beneficial for you guys when you walk into the corporate world.
That's great to hear. Next, I would like to ask, what were the things that you covered in the guest lecture and how it might be beneficial for our MBA students?
So the topics that we discussed in the lecture range from how retail banking, the major verticals of the retail banking, what are the major verticals, and then how forex transactions are being taken care of at India level as well as at the world level. So we also discussed various smaller aspects regarding the regulatory compliances and the regulatory bodies. What are the roles and functions into this? And while imparting these tidbits to the class, I felt that yes, they were able to grasp the concepts. Although not being a part of the industry, but yes, they were able to relate well why these are an important issue, and how gaining knowledge over these topics will help you gain brownie points when you are talking to an industry person, and it will eventually help you in ways you can't fathom. So yeah, it was great. It was great for me.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insights. Hope we can see you on campus next time.
Thank you for having me.